So to finish up the pyramid, we're going to measure it similar to what we did with the cube. I've already got the bottom done. I've measured it this way and this way, and I've gotten those measurements written on there. Again, it's supposed to be 2 inches, but if it isn't, I need you to write your actual measurements on. So with the triangles that make up the sides, these lengths from here to the point is going to be a weird number. We don't care about that. It's supposed to be 3 inches tall. So we're going to set our ruler on like this, and we're going to measure to the very point, and it looks like I am maybe I'm just over a 16th, just under a 16th shy of the 3 inches. So I'm going to measure that like I just did. I'm going to write that measurement on. I'm going to put it 2 15/16 that way. A little hard to do because it's open like this. If you write the number closer to the bottom, it does make it a little easier. So we're going to do that a couple more times. 2 15/16 this way. That one looks good. 3 inches. Last one. That one is also 3 inches. Okay. So now we're ready to get the rubric. It's the exact same rubric we used for the cube. So we're grading the same things, appearance, tabs, measuring, all that fun stuff. We are going to take into consideration the hems, that the hems are where they're supposed to be. They do stick out a little bit at the top. After we've graded it, if you want, you can trim that little extra piece off and get it to close a little bit better. And that's the pyramid. If we get that done in enough time, I'm going to show you the cheat way to do another type with same exact pyramid, but we build it a little differently, a little easier to build. I made you do it the hard way. So we're going to do the easy way next if you have time.